Now, KG1, Connect Plus and discover farm animals. Now we are going to study farm animals. What are farm animals? Farm animals are animals which live on the farm, which give us meat, milk, wool, eggs, and some of them help with the work on the farm. Farm animals. What can you see? What's this animal? It's a turkey. 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 What's next? What can you see? I can see a duck. 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 Wow, what a nice picture. Do you know what's this? It's a goat. Goat. Do you know that goats also are farm animals like ducks? They give us meat. What's this? It's a farm animal. It gives us meat and eggs. It's a hen. Hen. Excellent. Hen. What is this? It's a rabbit. Excellent. Do you remember what rabbit likes to eat? Excellent. Once more. Carrot. Rabbit likes to eat carrot. Rabbit is a farm animal. It gives us meat. Then once more. Rabbit is a farm animal. It lives on the farm. It gives us meat to eat. Excellent. What is this? It's a dog. Dog. Once more. Dog. Excellent. Do you know that there are over 150 kinds of dogs? You know any of them? You know German Shepherd? You know Dalmatians? Have you seen this movie? It's very nice. Then once more, dog. Dog. What's next? What can you see? It's a farm animal. It gives us meat and milk. It's a cow. Excellent. Cow. Cow. Meat and milk. It's a cow. Excellent. Cow. Cow. Ow. Cow. All again. Farm animals are the animals which live on the farm, like cow, goat, hen, duck, rabbit, turkey, dog. Cow and goat give us meat and milk. Hen and duck give us meat and eggs. Rabbit gives us meat. Turkey gives us meat. And finally, the dog guards the farm. Repeat again. Farm animals. Farm animals.